Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu assesses the Blue Line Metro project, says work 90% complete. The first phase of the Blue Line Rail project starts from Mile 2 and terminates at Marina. The governor said on Sunday the major aspect, apart from the Marina station, is a sea crossing from Eco Bridge to join Outer Marina. This will be done in about 3 months, and when we return in July, the concrete construction should have been completed, says the governor, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu.